Guys, today we're checking out the Goodness Me box for this month. This month is called the Summer Glow box. So let's check it out. First item we have is Sunny Fruit Organic Sun-Dried Tomato Bites. Feel nice and soft. Next up we have 2 packets of the Shelby's Healthy Hedonism. They're dipped and dusted almonds. This one is matcha and yogurt and the other is cinnamon and yogurt. Next item this week is the Turmeric Super Blend. Super raw ingredients. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. It's good to make lattes, smoothies, granola and in bakes. I imagine it'll be sealed in here. Yeah, it is. Next item is the Energy Eye Bio Bar. The flavour is Berry Bomb. Feels fairly firm. The next item is Beauty Nectar. It's a vegan and collagen booster. Collagen depletes as we age, but it doesn't mean we can't still have megawatt dewy skin. Not really sure what that is or what you do with it. Oh, here we go. Mix into 150 ml of water or in your favourite drink. Interesting. Next we have a couple of bags of the green tea. It's Taprobane Tea Company. This is green tea with citrus and a green tea with blueberries. Feels like there's a tea bag in there. It's not a loose leaf. Here we have more collagen. This is Collagen U Original. 1 serving of 3 grams of collagen. There's 2 packets. It says on here, recommended use, add to your morning coffee, juice or even sprinkled over your breakfast cereal. Crazy. Here we've just got a little pamphlet for those Shelby's almonds that we looked at earlier. And then we've got the 2 drinks. We have a Raw Seas Sparkling Coconut Water. It's infused with blueberry and pomegranate. I don't like coconut, so I don't think I'll be tasting this one. Looks interesting though. And last item is a bottle of organic kombucha, hibiscus and lime flavour. I'm not really sure what kombucha is. Handcrafted small batch brewed kombucha inspired by the wisdom and ancestors and compatibility of the future. If anyone knows what kombucha is, chuck it in the comments because I've got no idea. Well, that's it for this box, guys. That's the Goodness Me box from Summer Glow box. Food for integrity. Anyway, thanks for checking out our review. See ya.